Nikola Tesla was not just one of the greatest scientists of all times, but he was also a spiritually awakened person. Many of his inventions are what's making our life easier today. He was totally obsessed with numbers, and he called the numbers 369 as divine numbers. So you must be wondering, why are we talking about Nikola Tesla today on Mind Body Souls? Well, that's because I think a background information would be very useful, since in this video we are going to use Tesla's manifestation method, which is also called the 36-9 manifestation method, and I promise you it's super potent. It's so effective, so simple to do, and I'm 100% sure that you will get the results if you do it the correct way. So let's go ahead and check it out. Trust me, this process is extremely simple to do, and the material things that we require are just a set of pens and a journal. Now, having said that, what really brings about the change, or what really brings about the manifestation, is your consistency and your focus. So once you have your journal and pen or pen set ready, the next thing and the most important thing that is required for this process is your intention. Now, this process is actually done in various ways. Okay, so the Indian counterpart has a different way of doing it, and people abroad, they have a different way of doing it. So I'm going to write both the variations, or there are actually many. I'm going to give you at least two variations. You can practice the one which is the most effective for you. For different people, different method works. Okay, so you go ahead and see which one works for you effectively. Like I said, the most important ingredient of doing this process is it's actually to have a intention. So you need to set your intention on what you want to manifest. Now, for setting an intention, you actually need to write it down in a piece of paper, and you can refer to my previous videos in which I talk about affirmations, or which I talk about journaling and scripting. You can gather ideas from that, and I will link down those videos in the description below, so that you could have an idea of how actually to go about making this sentence. Now, one thing that you need to be careful about is this sentence should at least be 17 seconds long. Yes, you heard it right. It should be 17 seconds long. Why? Because we are following Abraham Hicks 17-second rule here. I will not be talking too much about that rule right now, but just know that in law of attraction, any intention that you hold for 17 seconds or more, it gets the potency of actually going ahead and manifesting. So I hope you're ready with your journal, with your pen, and with the most important ingredient, that is your intention. So we'll go ahead and discuss the different variables of how to do this manifestation method. The first variation of this method is, you take this particular sentence, which is 17 seconds long, and in the morning you write this sentence 3 times, all the while extracting the juices and visualizing the manifested outcome of what you want to manifest, right? You do that 3 times in the morning, and then in the afternoon you write the same sentence 6 times, and then in the night before going to bed you write the sentence 9 times. All the time it is very important for you to visualize the outcome, to feel the feelings of already having what you're asking for. Okay, so that is the first variation. In the second variation of Tesla's manifestation method, we can go ahead and take 3 intentions, from different areas. So for example, you can take what you want to manifest. As far as finance is concerned, you could take something from your relationship goals, you can take something from your health goals. So you write 3 intentions, okay, and every day 6 times every day, you repeat it. All right, and you do this for 9 days. That is the second variation. But you need to remember to keep that intention active, keep every intention active at least for 17 seconds. That's the minimum. You can go beyond that, but 17 seconds is the minimum. So when you're saying the particular intention, you need to visualize it, you need to be in the feeling of already having achieved your outcome. And like I said, so it is 3 intentions. You need to repeat 6 times a day, and you need to take it for 9 days. Now, in the first variation, something that I wanted to tell you was that you could do it for, let's say, 33 days, you could do it for 45 days, because Nikola Tesla believed that the numbers 3, 6 and 9, they have divine powers. So 33 days would be 3 plus 3, 6. 45 days would be 4 plus 5, 9. You could even do it for 21 days, which would be 2 plus 1 equals 3. So yeah, that's about it. Important points to note while doing this manifestation method is that this manifestation method works on your consistency and on your focus. In fact, it helps you to build your focus, for you to be focused on what you want in life. That's how this manifestation method works. And while you're doing it, whichever variation you go for, make sure that you at least think about the intention for 17 seconds. That's a bare minimum. And also make sure that whenever you're writing it or whenever you're saying it, make sure that you're visualizing and feel the feelings of already having achieved those outcomes. Here's wishing you happy manifestation.